coming to put in the culvert pipe today. That's going to go here. Only problem is we had rain last night and everything's underwater. So we have to get rid of the water, and then they're going to come put in the pipe and make room for the driveway. Right now we just have a temporary culvert in place, which is kind of grown over, but it's right in there. My friend Judson always tells me I seem to have every tool, and sometimes I think he might be right. While they were building a house next door that had chronic water problems going into the street and backing up on our property, I found a 2-inch trash pump on Facebook Marketplace and bought it, and I've actually used it quite a bit, and right now would be a perfect time to get rid of that water. The pump had everything pumped out in about 3 minutes. Pretty impressive. Once all the water was pumped out, it was time to dig out the old temporary culvert and lay the new pipes in place. They have to go to a certain line and grade, and they're marked with a laser, and the yellow writing in the street actually shows the contractor what pitch and distance to install everything. Public Works came out and marked everything, and 21 feet from the nail in the center of the road to the center of the pipe, 15-inch diameter pipe, or 12 by 18 oval, and 0.77 is the height of the pipe on the inside. And there's a downward pitch which shows that the water flows downhill, obviously, and it has 2 markings, and they have to be within a few hundredths of an inch to have it pass inspection. The steady beep on the laser tells them when they are at the exact line and grade. This is what the completed job looks like after all of the joints are fitted together, wrapped in the geotextile fabric, and the ends are also covered to keep dirt out. Now it's ready for an inspection. I came and inspected the culvert pipe, and the line and grade are good, but they said the rubber gasket that's inside of here had rolled, so I have to put hydraulic cement in here and fill in the cracks to make it waterproof. Just like the label says, you've got about 5 minutes before this turns into a rock. This is after I have put hydraulic cement on the joints. So now it's waterproof. Hopefully we can get a driveway soon. The driveway is going to be 6 inches thick, so the grade follows a line that is 6 inches below where it should be. And of course, being Florida, it's raining again. With the final grade being accomplished, the next thing is forming and pouring the new driveway so we can get the boats out of there.